In this video, I'm showing you how to make Chipotle sweet potato chili, and it's vegan. It uses bell peppers, onions, some kale, and you can make it as spicy or as mild as you'd like. I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef. If you're ready, let's get cooking. The most time-consuming part is really going to be just chopping up the vegetables. Once you learn how to speed up that process, then this dish actually is pretty quick to make. So if you need help with knowing how to chop up vegetables, you might want to check out my Meal Prep Academy course, and that link is down below in the video description. I teach you how to meal prep more efficiently and cut veggies up quickly so that your meal prep goes really quick. So for the sweet potato, I personally like to leave the skin on, and it's okay to do so, just give it a good wash. If you prefer it peeled though, then you'll want to peel it before you dice it up. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 sweet potatoes, and it's really great because we're going to get a little bit of spiciness and smokiness from the chipotle, and then the sweet potato, of course, is sweet. So we're getting sweet, spicy, smoky, and then I'm going to add in a little lime to add a little bit of sourness. So we're really balancing the flavors, and it's going to be so complex. Because this is a vegan dish, you know, all the different flavors from the vegetables, from the onions and the garlic, it's going to make it super flavorful and delicious, and you don't even need meat in this dish, honestly. For the kale, we just want to remove this stem in the center because it's bitter, it's hard, it's not very nice, so you can easily do it like that. Now, if you don't like kale, because kale is tends to be bitter, you could also use spinach instead of kale. So just remove that main bulky part, and then just kind of grab it, bunch it up, and then cut it so. And boom. All right, let's cook it up now. First, we're going to get our pan nice and hot, and then we're going to heat up some olive oil and saute the onions, the bell peppers, and then the garlic. So once the onions and the peppers have cooked down, now we want to add in the garlic the last couple of minutes and cook that up. Be careful so that it doesn't burn. You want to stir it occasionally. Add our beans in. Ooh, that looks beautiful. kale is pretty bulky, but it cooks down, so you might want to add in half at a time. And then give it a stir and add the second half. Wow, it's looking really beautiful. So now I'm gonna add the second half of the kale. We're just gonna let this simmer until the sweet potatoes are soft, the flavors can develop, and we're gonna taste it and adjust the seasonings if needed, and then it'll be ready to enjoy. All right, and don't forget to give it a try and then adjust the seasonings. Also, you can see if you need a little bit more spice from the chipotle or not. Yum. Now, even though it's still piping hot, I'm just going to place it in the meal prep containers so that it can cool down faster. So it'll cool faster if it's all separated out. Yum. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe because I release a new tutorial and recipe every week. Happy eating!